and them tell stop about the talking on the wide street when I come back from Exeter. I said, can you guys take off the thing so I could kiss him? And I said, we cannot do that, mommy. We have to let him go now. And I kiss him to the wide street, kiss him all over upon him head and ear and everywhere. That's a touch of the kiss. I pray for him. I must God take him to cover him as a nice person. And I deserve it. And that's it.
Alright, chill.
Thank you, boo.
You touch my heart, man.
Yeah, with the hard one.
You know, man, you know. You know what is death, you know. I know what is death. May I tell you something?
Yeah.
When I was in Jamaica, right? And I go to funeral.
Oh
One day
yeah, Nikki was there. She was there too, my sister-in-law,
I
Nikki.
went to this funeral and I
Yeah,
see this girl, she named Nikki and she died. And
yeah.
her sister was crying and crying and crying and I jump in at the wall and I roll and I go on and I was like, why she's acting like that? Because I never have someone die in my family so close before.
Yeah.
And then 3 years after that my brother died. And when my brother died, I did understand why the girl was acting like that for her sister. Because that pain what you feel when you lost a loved one. I mean a close loved one.
I'm telling you guys.
So
Yeah.
I can't describe the pain. The pain is not normal. You know? So I know where you feel, Trin.
I'm telling you.
I feel
But
because
I tell him I'm gonna give up Tanya. I tell her Tanya, I talk to him because him ever say yes in the room. Him say I ain't going down like that, man. I'm fighting for my life, yo. So I'm gonna go in the room. I'm gonna say, Mr. Corey, I really have to go like this, Corey. You tell me say you never make nobody take your life back. That you're gonna fight like a soldier. Mr. Corey, I do that to me, Tanya, for life. Me I tell ask my daughter for it. The team start breathe, I'ma call him, the nurse run come and say she feel something and them take out the wall away to the room and start pumping back. I like me, I tell him in the brains when me I tell him but it's like in the soul of me again. Yes, God already take him. Part in the way, man, listen to part of me, but part I go to God at the same time. So it's like him I try to fight it to come back. But he must see the light to heaven and I try to come back to we. But it's like you know the angel that bring him. It's a long story today. Just we can't explain it because we never did before. But when you were saying I got to him, I must have him a quarrel. You really are going like this. You really expecting like that. I'm going to put him a baby father. And you talk that them a feeling breathe and them take out of him and start pumping back. Yeah. Like he must have true my baby mother attack, you know. I'm going to never say I can't fight my way back out of it. But when God say yes, no one can say no to you.
no,
Yeah,
yes,
stop fighting them faith, man. Them never fight it.
same thing with my brother. He was fighting. He was fighting, but he was doing everything the doctors them was telling him to do. He was, you know, he want to live. He want to live, but
I should have lived quite too long on the ground for 31 blood clot minute on a 224.
31 minutes, so they never call an ambulance.
Ambulance take long to come. And me say when the ambulance them take long to come and all these things. And look at the talk to the people need to make a plan and put a lawsuit to them people. They can hear the ambulance take long. And when the ambulance come, them a talk about I think he died and then what sister the lady when your sister said sure, Tanya, the woman named Sister is a court, 5 years to change. These are talk, and then Sister Buckers, everybody knows something up there. A nice lady. She's a chain. When him get the shot in him, stop in a chain. This one him drop, he might try to get up off of the ground in a chain. I'm rolling back down, my strip off, my clothes, my gun naked. Because she never have no clothes, because I was a party and she don't say I'm a Harley, whatever. So she take off her top and top up his head. She said when she had top up his head, he still not try come off of the drum shop and roll him back down. When she roll him back down now, and she scream, help! Help me, please! She, the people will call the ambulance, when the ambulance can come. They look like saying there. Sister, you say, get up and go to like it. She said, get up and go to the fish and hello. Then go to like the
Yeah.
children. Make the jerk and flip back in pan. Flip back in pan.
Yeah.
And sister say, oh my God, hurry up, put him in the dead. Run with him, run with him. Run with him. And then, yeah, they don't give
We
a
want
fuck.
him
You
to he fight.
yeah, in fight, Tanya. Fight it, boo.
He fight a good fight.
Fight, Tanya. The people them die 2 times. Him die upstairs in the operation room and downstairs. Him never want to go. Them pronounce him that some two something. Then them sign him back a breed and everything and bring him back downstairs. So one time we come sign him, I go upstairs and I just reach to the hospital. I know I'm be able father. Call never want to go. So I now accept Tanya. I tell him I'm with him. I know him. What you do? Tanya know them. Yeah, that's how I'm going to the room to talk to him, Tanya. Him realize. But it's like when you go to heaven, nothing can bring you back, Tanya. I see the light to heaven. Part time, when you part, I go to God. Them find back in Prague, that's him mother. One time I talk to him, the choir really are going like this. Them say them think something, then them make it come out of the room back and start work back for him again. Then them pull it door and then so that's it, them try. Yeah.
Them try them best.
Let them try, man. That's how you do it, try.
So sad.
Mm-hmm.
I would wish that feeling for not even my enemy, as I know what that feeling. You're talking to me and it remind me when my brother was dying in the hospital. Same thing. And so I know. They stab him in his neck and in his side in Jamaica.
Wow.
And it's me I tell you say I want to tell you say it's like when you're for dead, you're just for dead. Cause I remember that Friday. Right? Me sit down on the veranda, my brother dressed up the Friday and him looked so nice. That woman them kill him for. He was so handsome. I'm not telling you a picture, make you see him tall. He was what about 6'9". He's tall and dark. Very handsome, and every new woman coming at the area, them love him off and him remember him pass me and him say, my sister, my time shoes this. Him say, oh my look. I'ma say, you look nice, man, you look nice. And I want to tell you say that day I passed my brother dying on the road. I see crowd cause I'm trying to be honest, when I see fight and them something them I never used to run go look heap a crowd.
I like it, I look up right there.
I like it. I like it, you understand? So I see the crowd run somebody, it was my brother. And I was actually in a car going somewhere and it was my brother and they were trying to get a car fee for Caramgar Public. And the car would then get the woman where stop the woman have to go in the middle of the road. And the car was stopped. You know what the car broke down? Calvary Cemetery. But you know if you know Calvary Cemetery. When you got town.
A Mullines Road, Calvary and Mullines Road.
It's a Catholic
Catholic church. Yeah, we used to live there right from the Christian.
And right there so the taxi broke down. The car, it wasn't a taxi, it was a car. It broke down there. The woman had to come out and my brother was holding this is like hour after him get the stab, you know. And him still a fight, you know. When him actually reach a public hospital, them have strike. The doctor them have strike. The doctor them say them now work them in for go carry him guy UC. And I just saw him bring up him start vomit up blood. When him start vomit up blood now, I just saw them run with him and realize say him in a serious danger. And me actually say when he reach, you know, me reach when they must string him up at carry him guy theater. And it's like him get up when him reach at the theater door. Him get up and him look at me and me not forget the look. Me see the look of death in him eye. Like you see him pupils dilated big. You just see no white in him eye. Him eye just get black. And him look at me and talk and him shake him head like him say, sis, me not gonna make it.
Like him must have
wrong. And me say, Father God. Him tell me say him not gonna make it. And me say, Father God, may I beg you, please don't take home my brother from me.
Oh
And the
God.
doctor them said them are gonna see what them can do. And you know, by the time them got in at the surgery, and I say, my people could have pee and I see them I walk up and I say, but them not do nothing. But me I tell you, so when my brother life I left him body, I could have feel it. And we are same
Yeah.
mother and we are same father. Me sit down and I feel that my breath has stopped. And I jump up, me start peep through the surgery door and look. And I see the doctor, them I walk up and down and I say to my grandmother, say, no man, something is wrong. And then the doctor come out. When the doctor come out, me don't even have to ask because me did already feel it. In fight for live, but
Oh my God.
that
If
pain.
you want him get up, Tanya, and look by you, I tell him to start going, Maga Tanya.
Yeah, when them a push him in, and me there behind me, them stand up so behind them, I shove him in at the surgery, and him jump up and him look for me, and me see him pupils dilate black, and me know say the death look that, and him go so and him shake, him go so, him couldn't talk, cause them cut him throat, right, and him shake him head, yeah, them cut him throat, and him shake him head. And when they shake him, I tell him, say, nah, make it. Dead. Never
Okay,
forget
some
that.
said just like her before them tell us her mother dead. She feel it.
It's true, summer. I now watch a comment card through me, I deal with the food.
Me
I tell
know
you, you
you do
can't
it.
feel
You
it.
choose some you
You
can
can't
feel
feel
it.
it. You feel it. I feel when I sit down, I feel with my breath, I'm go so and catch back my breath. I'm jump up, I'm say, no, in gone. I feel it. I mean, I peep. And then when I look, I see the doctor come out and tell me, say, I'm dead. There's nothing more they can do.
Oh
He
my
pass away. It's a hottest feeling, Chin. So, Chin, I know where I go
God.
through. I never forget that feeling. I never forget that look. You know, never forget it. My brother
Never.
look at me and, you know, tell me, say, nah, I go make it.
And you know sad that the person got it and you know you
No, I
feel it.
see it. I see it in his eyes. Pupils dilated. His
You
pupils
could
in his eyes became
get
black.
came blocked. Oh my God,
Get the
Tanya.
white part gone. See how when me look at cousin. See how me look at cousin where drop off 5 stairs over here and die. You
Drop
know?
off on the stairs?
Yeah, she was only 15 years old.
I
She
Tanya, she
dropped
just
off
drop off.
Obia.
The devil is a liar.
If your surrounding her death was not normal, me here push them over there talk about it. Like other day with the girl will come on and say, oh me say the little girl was my daughter. I grow that child from she come out of her mother womb till she
Yeah.
reached 15 years old. She was a part of me. And
So
I
you
claim
feel it.
her as my child. And until this day, her death, I don't even like to think about it. Because she was so young. She had everything to live for. She does. I go up the step and them say she feel dizzy because I was she and her two little brother them live at home. The mother gone out. And she
Mm.
dropped. And like the central eating, it not nowhere near. I know me cannot understand how she dropped down the bottom of the stairs and she reached to the central eating, so it pierced her skull.
Oh my
And
God.
until this day, we don't know how that happened, but she died. And when I went